Yeah, no lion foot, you don't know say these are the times, more time people do some things about it and then when them pass off now it's like it's a different feeling start take over. And the old man drop out still they are gonna hold it.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, no man, a pleasant good morning. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. And I hope all is well. Wednesday morning, you know what I mean? We give thanks to life, how? The 1st of November. Yes, the 1st of November. Give thanks, we live to see it. Right now, they are vlogging at the rain, you see it. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I only for love and blessings, 1 month to go. Do remember this vlog is sponsored by Royal Star Sound, One British. Sit! Yeah, man. So I'm on my way now to the leisure center. Or should I say to the gym? Because I can't bother with it. You see me? Man, should I say I'm going to Kim? No, I'm going to the gym. Gym where you go and exercise. Is that what I say? Yeah, man. So, One British, big up yourself. Remember the 15th of December. A Royal Star Sound bus ride. Saying £40 for the ticket. So I say, all inclusive, you get entry and you get drinks and you get food, but you can bring your own liquor too. Best behavior. Zine, girls are going dash out. Hey, yo. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So this vlog I know I give thanks to life, Give thanks to another day, You see me? Give thanks to another day. Give thanks to the birds, them, the bees, them, the wasp, all of the species, them. Because there's a creator who create them all, Yeah, man. Give thanks to Mother Nature. Give thanks to the ancestors, them. Give thanks to the universe. You see me I say? Yeah, man, see the bird them there. Pigeon them. You see me more time I feed them, you see me? Yeah, man. See them there? Rest in peace, Gully Bop. So me I say, rest in peace, Gully Bop. Yeah, I spoke to Gully Bop, one Bop yesterday, and he also gave me the news. You see me say Gully Bop drop out and it's like he catch up an infection in a wound when me that carry in a bag and thing, Yeah, and it get worse and worse and worse, but a life. Still a moon for Gully Bop, see? Yeah, man, I would say a lot of people say when Gully Bop was alive, nobody never look, nobody look and this and that. And a real thing, not just Gully Bop alone. You have some people where family members and friends and artists too. When the artists them drop out and you hear people that say, oh, I'm bad and wicked and start play the artists them music. You see me? But when the artist was alive and hurt, him never get the support musically. Or in whatever way, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I say you got just life, a life. Now for just learn and how to understand life. You see me? Yeah, man. So rest in peace, Gully Bop. I spoke to Gully Bop so yesterday. I know say me get a shot in his foot. Jano star, never know. The 16th of October. Yeah. He said the 16th of October he went in. He got shot in the foot when he got hospital. He see Gully Bop hospital too, then I bring him to treat him the same time. And Gully Bop a cuss. So he didn't get to talk to him because he must have to treat for himself. He get shot in the foot. And himself upon the wall time, it happened, man. You know the mechanic upon the wall time, man. You see me? So like man, gunman a pass, I look for man and they've never seen nobody but them see him. So it's like I can't catch quack or catch a shot. Straight dog, anything you can catch, our dirty settings. So him end up run. Them knock it off him end up run and get a shot in his foot, you see me? Man. Get a shot in his foot and things, so that is what he told me yesterday, you see me? And things, so yeah, man. Yeah, so him says an infection Gully Bop catch and get worse upon him, man. You see me? But life are the greatest gift, man. If you give thanks to life, man, give thanks to health and strength. Give thanks to another day. And so me and say my viewers and subscribers, the 1st of November. Family morning. You know? Yeah, man, so you don't know my viewers and subscribers. Then I go up on the gym, I told you I go do some exercise. I did some abs work, muscle work yesterday over them place, you know? Yeah, my trainer. Work, you know, I couldn't cope. Right now my shoulder them dead. Hands them, you see me, but I feel the best still because I feel it. So I'm going to go work on them part now, you know? And then I move down to the chest and the stomach and the foot and all of them things there. Is it? Yeah, so life are the greatest, man. Give thanks to life, man. Give thanks to health and strength. No matter you may don't have it financial wise, you get what you want, buy what you want, or do what you want to do, but you have to give thanks to life. Once there's life, there's hope. You could buy all one lot on your win, you never know. You see me I say? Once there's life, there's hope. See? You see the hurricane go on, not the hurricane, the earthquake, 5 different times. See me? 5 different times the earthquake come, and our 5.3 or 5.1 magnitude. And people are running up and down. Jesus, peace. I don't know that yet. That is just a warning from Father God, from the universe. So much wicked and perilous things are going on in Jamaica that need to stop. You know? A man for dirt, I look at a 10-month-old baby and burn them as well. No, sir, that is past wickedness. You see me, so? Yeah, man, the universe, Father God have something in store, you know, for Jamaica. So you better prepare and beware. You see it? Yes, man, to my fellow Jamaicans out there, the good, the bad. You see me, I say, pretty and the ugly. Fix up on our act, clean up on our heart and forward. Stop the crime. Remember, it takes someone's life, they might pray for do the same thing to you or a family member. A certain I run. And to the people them where I fund the contract settings, you know, please stop it. Please stop it. Yeah, my voice a song with the name, what really are going on?
Question, what really are going on the island? No rain, no fall, just be a blood a shed. What really are going on the island? Young, old, innocent, guilty, are dead.
Jadonia Records, big up on yourself. You see me I say, I'm going to do a video for that song there. People want to go check out that song there. What really are going on the island? You see me I say? Yeah, man. A lion foot in our love and unity and strength. This is the 1st of November, the blessings. I wish you all guidance and protection, and may your basket be filled with food and happiness. May your loved one, you know what I mean, the family member, guidance and protection. Father God guide them through them going out and coming in. You see me I say? Yes, man. Life of the greatest, cut and clear all destruction and curse. You see me I say? And just stay positive, my people. Hold out. It may be hard, long, but not forever. You have to think positive. Speak for what you want in existence. You see me I say? Talk to the universe, as we foot would always say. A real sitting. See it? I love my unity, man. A lion foot, the man of peace. Blessed love. Good shots.
What really are going on the island? Country that things done a run red. What really are going on the island?